This is late Christmas morning, and we're just coming down for brunch. Brunch. So here's Dad. I think he's taking a nap. Hi.
What you do?
Taking a Christmas video. And there's Boo, cleaning himself after a walk and a play in the snow.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like he needs a brushing now. He must have lots of fun. And here's Mom in the kitchen, making breakfast. Ooh, bacon. Wish you could smell this.
Yes, it is,
You're just saying that we should make a candle with bacon scent.
exactly. That would be a bestseller. That and